Hey everyone, Ash here with the Better Than Yesterday blog. When you first entered the workforce, you probably had a huge eye-opener when you received your first paycheck. It's just assumed that you knew about taxes, and no one really tells you about these things. So we're going to change that. If you're an employee, there are taxes that are withheld and remitted on your behalf by your employer, which is why if you make $10 an hour, you only take home a portion of that. So let's break down each tax. The two taxes that are required to be withheld, regardless of your tax situation, are Social Security and Medicare tax, otherwise referred to as FICA. Social Security taxes are withheld to fund retirement, disability, and survivorship benefits that Americans receive. Medicare is health insurance for people aged 65 and older. Now, the Social Security tax rate is 6.2%, and Medicare is 1.45% of your gross income, or 7.65% together. So, out of the $10 an hour rate, you pay almost 77 cents to FICA, making your take-home hourly rate nearly $9.23, assuming you don't have to pay the following two taxes. Income tax for both federal and state is withheld and remitted by your employer on your behalf. So rather than you having the responsibility of paying the income tax throughout the year, your employer sends it in for you. Federal income tax is used to fund national programs and various operating expenses for the country. Income tax is the largest source of revenue for the U.S. government. Let's continue with our example. You have both federal and state withholding. For example, 10% for federal and 5% for state. Now, your $10 an hour rate is deducted by $1 for federal and 50 cents for state, making your net hourly rate $7.74. Your employer also has tax obligations for you as well. These employer taxes are paid out of the company's pocket, which means the taxes do not reduce your wages. Hopefully, this helps you understand your paycheck deductions. If so, then follow us for more tax tips.